Hello, everybody. Jazz Fingers Lisa. Hi. I am testing out my setup with my lights. And so I think we can see everything okay. We'll find out when I edit just how bright it is. But I'm going to do a Hobby Lobby haul just to test this video out. And I have gone to Hobby Lobby now probably 20 times. I've actually been to 3 of them. And yeah, I bought some stuff at Christmas and I have now hit the clearance stuff also, like everybody else seems to be doing. So let's start with the cards. So I found a box of, so there's 8 colors, 6 each, so 48 cards with envelopes, and you can see these are the colors and they're just plain, so they're $8.99 and they're down on sale for $2.49. Now I've mentioned this before when I was in Canada. Oh, by the way, I've lived in Canada and now I'm in Arizona. My husband got transferred and I just got here in November. So I mentioned in my videos before that I wanted to do some Christmas craft shows, but then we were moving, then we weren't moving, and then we were moving, and now we have moved. And we're not moving again, at least for 3 years. So I am not working right now. I can work. My legal visa, we came in legally, says I can work if I want to. I don't really want to. So I think I'm going to do some crafting, and I think I'm going to do some Christmas craft shows. Woohoo! So anyways, I found this and I thought, oh, these would be great to do some quick Christmas cards with. And then I got the little note cards, 3" by 3". Did I say what these were? 5.5" by 4.25". So these are 3 by 3s, and those are the colors. And I thought Christmas note cards. You know, I'll leave them, blank inside and just decorate them. And then if somebody just wants to write a little note to somebody in the office or teacher, or even put them on presents and stuff, I thought these would be great for that. And so then I went to the wood aisle. If you follow me, you know I love my pickleball, and I have not been playing pickleball yet. I haven't been doing anything, and I've gained a bunch of weight back. So anyways, found these in the wood section. I have large women hands. 24 cents. And for 24 cents, I thought, oh my gosh, I can't pass those up. They're just too cute. What I'm going to do with them, I have no idea. I could technically, these were regular $1.49. So you know what? $1.49 is not even that crazy expensive for these. I was thinking Christmas ornaments for the Christmas tree. I do have a 9-foot tree. So I put big ornaments on my tree. So I could probably do something like that. But I just thought they're so cute. And for 24 cents, I was not passing those up. The same thing with these beads. Do I need wood beads? No. But I thought these wood beads here would be, because they're not round, would be good for garlands. So I could do up a beaded garland. Regular $2.99, 74 cents. Even if I put them on Christmas ornaments, because I do make Christmas ornaments, paint them, draw them, put them all together kind of thing. So I thought those would be pretty good. And 74 cents, again, couldn't pass that up. Now, for tags, I found these. 32 cents. You get 25. Can you see? And it says chalk. So I would imagine they're chalk. I don't know if metallic pens, I haven't opened them yet, will work. But they were only 32 cents. And I thought these would be really good signage for a craft fair. So you could stick them, like say you have a container, you can stick them on the front of a container and write down stuff on them. So for 32 cents, I thought, you know what, I'm going to grab those. And if not, they have a hole in them. I can make Christmas tags with them. Yeah, do like a black and white type. I like black, white, and red. So maybe a black, white, and red thing there. I don't know. We'll see. All right. The same aisle as the wood stuff, or was it the next aisle over? I can't remember, but it's miniatures. And look what I found. Can you see them? They're miniature gingerbread cookies. So you can see this, I also have big fingers and nails, so that doesn't really help you. But for 24 cents, I got 3 little gingerbread guys. Those will go on a card perfectly. Just glue them on the cards, glue them on anything. Like I hope to make some paper crafts, so some notebooks and, like I already said, Christmas cards, maybe some gift card holders. I don't know. I have to figure it all out. And then, funny thing is, we were looking, my husband and I were looking for these at Christmas time. We couldn't find them. I found plastic light bulb garland. Can you see? 49 cents, regular $1.99. And yeah, I thought, oh my, I gotta grab that. Hey, this is pretty cool. This is like a brick paper background. Huh, does this have it too? Oh, it does. So I have to remember to keep the cards, the paper from these. So for 49 cents, I was like, yeah, needed those 2 months ago. Oh, well. Okay, so with this Christmas craft fair, I want to make beaded candy canes. So I picked up these ones here are silicone. These here, I don't know if I'd use orange, but I thought, you know what, having some orange beads for fall, if I go into some fall craft fairs. I'm not prepared for fall, but I thought, why not? If I decide to do, say, a Grinch type thing, maybe I'll use the orange, but 99 cents, regular $3.99. I sure hope I'm getting that on camera, and I hope that it's focused. I cannot tell. These are just spacer beads, and they are silicone, so they're rubbery. So for, well, not, like I said, not the orange ones, but let's pull out these ones. So these ones are $1.37, and they are not plastic. They feel like stone. So I got the pink, the blue, and the light purple. And I'm thinking candy cane. Look at those colors. So what I'll do is get, I have ordered from Temu USA, so from the States. I probably have now placed 12 to 15 orders. So I got a bunch of stuff in. I'm going to do a Temu haul. It's going to be a really long one. But I've got some bigger beads and stuff. So these are going to be perfect spacer beads. And so with those, well, here, let's put them here. I bought the check glass beads. So I bought a light blue, 87 cents, regular $3.49. I bought like a medium blue, also 87 cents, regular $3.49. I sure hope this stuff is focusing. Otherwise, you guys are going to have a horrible video. And then this says metallic silver, but to me it's champagne colored. It is not silver. So that one was $1.12, regular $4.49. But I figured having some gold to do some of the candy canes would be good. And again, you can see blue pinks purples. Can you see that? My phone is higher up, so I can't see my phone as well. I have to kind of stand up to do that. So good colors for that. And then I found these in the clearance section, like on their back wall clearance section, 57 cents. And I liked, these are also silicone, so they're rubbery, but spacer beads. And again, you can see how they match. So spacer beads, those are always handy. Also has little gold beads and clear beads. So like, you can picture these colors as a candy cane. Can you see that candy cane? Yeah, so that's my idea. So I picked up those beads. Then I picked up, these are white and silver, I guess, or white and gray. And they are kind of lacy. And they were $1.12. Now, they have a little bit of a bigger hole, but I don't know that they would fit on beaded pens, beaded keychains, that kind of thing. But you can, let me grab where's that chain here? I have a piece of chain here, right? So the keychains have chain hanging from them, and then they have a bar. Do I have, let me see. Oh, I do. I have my box right here. So this is what the beaded keychains look like, right? These are the, these are the pieces for them. So you can make this also a dangle, right? And then you just attach that. You can attach that to the hoop, or you can attach it to the chain, and this screws off, and you put your beads on. And so I'm making some of these and some beaded pens and some crochet baby octopuses for a small, tiny craft. Can I even call it a craft market? Craft fair? So I'm going to try and make this long story short. So when my husband came down in August, I came down in November. My husband was staying at his uncle's trailer park, mobile home, trailer home. So it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, kitchen, dining room. It's like an apartment, but it's one of those long trailer homes. And they were in a trailer park, and this trailer park has a million activities. There's got to be 3 or 4 or 5 different things going on every single day. They have 4 pickleball courts. They have a pool. They have what they call a pavilion, which is a big building. Then they also have the clubhouse building. They have a pool table building. And apparently there's a library and something else. Anyways, there's all kinds of stuff to do there. And so they're having a little craft sale. So we got our house December 10th. We moved in December 12th. My husband, Ryan, his uncle and wife came down in January. So they're here now. And there's a craft sale going on, and she's going to sell some rings and necklaces and stuff that they make. And so she asked me if I wanted half a table, and she said, well, you can bring your Easter wreaths, but all my wreath stuff is still packed in boxes. I still haven't figured that out. So I said, well, maybe I can make up, because I've had a few Temu orders come in. Keychains, the pens. Here's a pen. you know, keychains. I'll do some beaded stuff and do some little crochet stuff. I guess I can tell you this long story short too. So I found a crafting group on Fridays at the library from 4 to 5:30, and I think they're called Fiber Fun or Fiber Fun Group or something like that. And so you're supposed to do things like crocheting, knitting, stitching, sewing, quilting, like that kind of stuff. So I taught myself how to crochet 20 years ago when I had my back surgeries and I was laid up in bed. So I got back into it like basically 2 weeks before the craft show is starting. And so I have been making these little octopuses. I'll do a quick little craft show video too. I'm practicing on these little octopuses. So these are the kind of things I'm just going to bring. So I will have a craft show, market, whatever video that's going to come out. And I almost forgot. Good thing I played with these. I got 4 of these for 49 cents. And I'm just going to use them as project trays. So like here, there's my candy cane making stuff. I just threw those back into a box. But so here, I have a couple. These are old. So this will be my keychain bangle making stuff in this one. And so I'll leave them and I'll work on stuff for the next week and a half for the craft show. And what else? I think that is it for now. I do have a Temu haul. I'm probably going to get a few more orders in and then I will do that. And my craft room is not finished. It's an absolute disaster. It's got 3 feet of stuff piled on every cupboard, and this is the only clear space right here on my table. There's stuff all around it. I literally went like this, you know, the parting of the Red Sea, just so that I could do this video. Yeah, so once I get that cleaned up, then I will show you guys how I organized everything. But other than that, that is my little Hobby Lobby haul, and I am going to go check out this video and see how badly everything is shaking, see if it's bright enough. Like, it's bright enough for me to work, but I find when you do the videos, they are a little bit darker. So I'm going to go check those out, download, check those out, edit, and I'm going to post it no matter what it looks like. And yeah, I will be back very soon. I have a million things to tell you guys. And so I may repeat myself over the next 10 months. And I say 10 months because that's kind of going to be close to the end of the year. And it'll probably take me that long to tell you all the stories. And I'll repeat all the stories too. So I will be back very soon with a Temu haul. And probably another Hobby Lobby haul because I plan on going there again now that I'm going to be doing this little half table craft fair. All right, everyone. Have a wonderful day and talk to you soon.